Hello sunshines, today I have an everyday natural beauty look that's accomplished in only 5 to 10 minutes. And everything I'm using in this video today can be found at Nordstrom's natural beauty section, which is so awesome. And I'm starting off with a product that's new to me. This is called After Sun by Herbivore, which is great to soothe your skin after having sun exposure on your face or on your body. And speaking of sun exposure, this is my favorite sunscreen. It's a mineral sunscreen by Coola and it's cucumber matte, so it leaves no shine and no white residue on your skin. But today I'm actually using something without sun protection, and it's this Pai Chamomile and Rosehip Calming Day Cream, which is really good. I've recently just started using this because my skin is more sensitive these days, and this has really helped under my makeup. To prime my skin before makeup, I love using this Iredale Smooth Affair primer, which is great for oily skin. But because I didn't use any sunscreen, I'm using the Coola Dawn Patrol primer, which has SPF 30, just like their sunscreen lotion. And by the way, most of the products in this video I already owned because, as you know, I love natural products and that's all I use. But I did purchase 2 or 3 new ones as I was browsing through Nordstrom's natural beauty section. And now to smooth out some of my flaws like this pimple here, I'm using the Antonym Skin Esteem foundation, which is perfect for this natural look because the goal here is to not cover up your flaws completely so that we can achieve that natural looking skin with makeup. And this foundation is not full coverage, so it's perfect for that no makeup look. And I also used my highest HD camera this day, which I hate because it actually enhances my flaws, making it look worse, but it serves to show you how well natural beauty can work in the end. Okay, so I'm using this Rose Hibiscus face mist from Herbivore to mist it on my sponge before applying my concealer. And you don't have to do that, you can just use water of course, but this is what I like doing. And I'm using a little bit more of that concealer on another little flaw that I have above, but again, we're not covering up all the flaws. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with this amazing base powder, and this actually has SPF 20 in it as well. And I'm using it very lightly with a stippling brush all over my face, focusing on my T-zone. And now I'm using one of my favorites, which is this baked foundation in the color Dark by Antonym Cosmetics, and I use this like a bronzer instead of an actual foundation, so I only use it to warm up my face and even out the complexion. To add a golden glow to my skin, I'm using this RMS Beauty eye polish, which is actually supposed to be for the eyes, but I'm using it on the bridge of my nose, a little bit in the corner of my eyes, and on top of my cheekbones to add a little bit of highlight. But I'm gonna blend it in with the Living Luminizer from RMS Beauty, which is meant for the face. So I'm using it in all the highlighting points. And this is the most natural highlight I have ever used. It looks amazing on everyone. Now to add some natural color, I'm using the Tata Harper lip and cheek tint in the color Very Popular. As you can see, I use this a lot. I've been using this color for years, and I even love wearing it without any makeup whatsoever. So when I'm on the go, I just put this on my cheeks and it blends in so easily with my fingers. And I apply a little bit on the tip of my nose and of course on my lips. And lastly, for mascara, I'm using the Antonym Cosmetics Organic Mascara. And it looks really natural with 1 coat, but I like applying 2 or 3 coats of this mascara. And again, you could find all of these products that I use in this video on Nordstrom's beauty section. But of course, as always, I have links for you guys for every product featured in this video down below in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed my 5 to 10 minute natural beauty look. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, sunshines!